So can you handle the sword of the Spirit, the Word of God? Do you know how to fight with it? Or work with it? You know, one way to work with it is gematria. And to me, this is the most important thing in my spirit quest. Gematria is the system of assigning numerical value to a word or phrase in the belief that words or phrases with identical numerical value bear relation to each other or bear some relation to the number itself. So any words that have the same numerical value will have the same creative force or energy as they are vibrating on the same level of frequency. And this may apply to many ideas. You can read them all here, biblical, philosophical, you know. It's all in there. You just have to use your brain. And one important definition from the Merriam-Webster website of gematria, very important, so keep this in mind. Gematria is a cryptograph in the form of a word whose letters have the numerical values of a word taken as the hidden meaning. So they give us a word, corona, which is a number. Now any other word coming to the same number can be taken as its hidden meaning, okay? The goat is a symbol for those who do not believe. We see the goat locked up here, just like we are locked up because of corona. At the forehead, at the crown chakra, the corona, we see a seal, the mark of the beast, or the 666 in barcode.
We begin with the outbreak of COVID-19 and what you need to know ahead.
Breaking developments in the coronavirus emergency in the U.S. Worldwide now, the coronavirus taking a devastating toll. Confirmed cases now top 300,000.
Europe has now become the epicenter of the pandemic.
In the U.S., the coronavirus pandemic has now claimed more than 10,000 lives across the world.
Like the flu, it's a lot like the flu.
I like to believe that it's going to end up more like the flu virus.
Shoot them dead.
We don't want to do
tragic number and continues to be tragic when you look at the overall death toll of